Bitcoin has surpassed 10 million Ordinals inscriptions, and is Cardano about to surpass Ethereum? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Our new iPhone 14 giveaway is ending today. Did you have time to fill out the form and participate? If not yet, what are you waiting for? All you have to do is fill out the form linked in the description below. Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz described the broader crypto market as being lackadaisical or lacking enthusiasm, due mainly to a shying away of institutional investors from cryptocurrencies. In a June 1st interview with CNBC, Novogratz said that while the relatively small retail buyers add some stability to the market with their modest holdings, the lack of large-scale buyers is becoming a concern.
The dog days of summer started early in crypto. Doesn't make me thrilled, but that's just the reality. That said, there's a couple things that happened today which are pretty interesting, right? WeChat just enabled Bitcoin and crypto trading on the biggest single platform in the world. That's a pretty big deal. Hong Kong is officially allowing crypto trading for retail customers through regulated exchanges, first time. And so we're seeing Asian adoption, and we're seeing, like, in some ways, Bitcoin's up 55% or 65% this year. Ethereum's up 55% on lower volatility than we've seen. And so in lots of ways, there's been two of the best performing assets there are.
Novogratz has, however, pointed to two significant developments in Asia that may help shift the tide. First, he pointed out that the Chinese social media app WeChat now offers Bitcoin price quotes on its app, something he considers a significant milestone given its popularity. At the time of writing, WeChat has 1.3 billion monthly active users. Secondly, Novogratz looked to Hong Kong, which has now officially begun allowing retail customers to trade crypto on regulated exchanges for the first time, which is an indication of increasing Asian adoption. The U.S. House of Representatives has passed the debt ceiling bill, authorizing the U.S. to borrow more money. Now the bill has to be signed by President Joe Biden for it to become official. Once that's done, the $31.4 trillion borrowing upper cap limit will be suspended. Circle recently announced plans for a June 8th launch of a new native version of its USDC stablecoin on the Arbitrum network. According to a blog post, Circle will replace the existing version of USDC, an Ethereum-based token that's been bridged to Arbitrum, with a native token that runs and resides on the Arbitrum network itself. Ahead of the launch, Circle plans to rename the existing Ethereum-based version of USDC to USDC.E, and the original version will be listed as Bridged USDC, and the new Arbitrum-based version will be named USDC. The goal of this endeavor, according to Circle, is to speed up transactions through the use of cross-chain transfer protocols. These protocols handle the transfer of assets between blockchains, allowing users to unify liquidity, and they support both crypto and Web3 assets across portfolios. This will enable USDC to move natively to and from Ethereum and other supported chains in minutes, adding that there will be no more withdrawal delays. The SUI network, backed by Milestone Labs, has announced a multi-year partnership with the Red Bull Formula One racing team less than a month after the blockchain's mainnet went live. In a June 1st announcement, SUI said that it would be the official blockchain partner of the racing team, scheduled to compete in Spain on June 4th. The managing director of the SUI Foundation said the partnership was aimed at demonstrating how Web3 enables human connections, while the announcement suggested immersive digital experiences for fans in the coming months. Milestone Labs stepped up work on the SUI network following Meta shutting down its Diem project in 2022. The network, based on the Rust-based programming language Move, went live on May 3rd, prompting major crypto exchange Binance to start offering trading pairs for the SUI token. Our new iPhone 14 giveaway is ending today. Did you have time to fill out the form and participate? If not yet, what are you waiting for? All you have to do is fill out the form linked in the description below. Recent data suggests that the Cardano network could grow quicker than Ethereum and soon shift the power balance in the crypto economy. Despite being less public than its peers, the network's innovative reputation has especially grown since the Hydra upgrade. The network's developer activity now ranks third, 7 positions ahead of Ethereum. However, developer productivity will likely improve on Charles Hoskinson's blockchain after the recent launch of smart contracts for Cardano. In this ranking, Kusama and Polkadot are leading the pack, indicating high development activity and dedication to continuous improvement. While Cardano is in third place, it's still a significant achievement to be ahead of Ethereum, which is a long-standing leader in the crypto space. Cardano's development update for the week of May 26 shows progress across multiple fronts. The core technology team focused on nodes, networking, and ledger enhancements. The network is also well positioned to attract new users given Bitcoin's congestion problem. The total value locked of ADA coins on the network is increasing exponentially, fueling speculation that it could soon experience a boom in popularity. Time will also tell whether Cardano will leapfrog Ethereum by solving Ethereum's network congestion problems. Bitcoin Ordinals are the latest Layer 2 solution enabling decentralized storage of digital art on the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin Ordinals has attracted a widespread reaction from the crypto community since its launch in January 2023. The launch of the BRC20 token standard in March created an experimental fungible token standard designed specifically for the Bitcoin blockchain. The combination of BRC20 with Ordinals opened new gates for minting tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain, with the crypto community seeking the emergence of many popular BRC20 tokens. Ordinals will now allow users to migrate their Ethereum-based ERC721-based NFTs to the Bitcoin blockchain with the launch of the new BRC721E standard. The BRC721E standard was jointly launched by the Ordinals market and the Bitcoin Milady's NFT collection. The new BRC721E standard enables the conversion of immutable, verifiable ERC721 NFTs to Ordinals. Initially, metadata is not stored on-chain, but users can store a lower quality preview image and include a reference to the Ether burn in the new raw image data. The migration process starts by burning the ERC721 NFT with an ETH call function. The burning of the NFT is an irreversible process and acts as an on-chain inscription method. To claim the ETH burn on Bitcoin, the user must inscribe a valid BRC721E data, after which the bridge NFT will appear on a custom Ordinals market collection page with a completed metadata. The indexers that check the burn NFT data inscriptions ensure that a token has no more than one valid inscription and that the genesis address matches the burn transaction call data. The Ordinals market claimed the fundamental principles of BRC721E, and the flexibility of the index allows for the protocol to evolve over time, despite the fact that metadata is initially not stored on-chain. The number of unique users on Ordinals and BRC20 just keeps accelerating and hitting new all-time highs with more than 100,000 users, and Ordinals has hit 10 million inscriptions on Bitcoin in less than 6 months. Make sure to check out our full in-depth video on Bitcoin Ordinals, link down below. Litecoin has begun the month with a rally, rising 7% over the last 24 hours, with bulls noting the network's halving in 2 months and a significant uptick in activity in May. Litecoin's network activity has been picking up all year and more intensely since the beginning of April. Data from Into the Block shows that the total addresses holding a balance has now pushed to nearly 8.5 million. Litecoin is also approaching a halving in August, which analysts are deeming a significant event for both the network and the price of Litecoin. Similar to the Bitcoin halving, the Litecoin halving will see its block reward paid in Litecoin slashed in half. Litecoin might also be benefiting from the congestion that the Bitcoin network has been witnessing due to the recent burst of activity related to the Ordinals protocol. Because of Ordinals and BRC20 tokens taking up large shares of transaction volume on Bitcoin as of late, fees have increased as well as the time to process transactions on the network. Litecoin, in a sense, is an old-school clone of Bitcoin and in turn serves a similar purpose. And this is probably why you're seeing more people transact in Litecoin at the moment, as it's serving as an outlet of sorts during a time of Bitcoin congestion. As the cryptocurrency industry faces regulatory challenges in the United States, public crypto exchange Coinbase is moving forward with its futures contracts. On June 1st, Coinbase revealed its plans to introduce Bitcoin and Ether futures contracts on June 5th through its Commodities Futures Trading Commission regulated derivatives exchange. The futures contracts will be targeted towards institutional investors. According to Coinbase, the newly announced institutional size contracts will have a specific size of 1 Bitcoin and 10 Ether. This sizing is intended to enable clients to effectively manage market exposure. In addition, Coinbase stated that its derivatives exchange will be dedicated to fulfilling the requirements of institutional investors by offering them inventive solutions tailored to their specific needs. On May 2nd, Coinbase announced its strategic move to launch a derivatives exchange in Bermuda, marking a step in its international expansion strategy. The exchange will allow traders to engage in speculation on the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum through perpetual futures contracts. These contracts will offer a leverage of up to 5x, allowing traders to amplify their exposure to potential price movements. As I shared at the beginning of the video, you can earn up to $30,000 and a chance to win a new iPhone 14 with Bybit. For more details, check out this in-depth video made on how to enter. I'll link down below. That's it for our Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.